There's no better time than now for Nigeria and the fashion industry to position itself to harness the uncountable, unlimited, resources, the opportunities that's available. Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Olushola Babatunde. I'm the creative director of One Stop Celebration Limited. One Stop, fondly called OSC, is a garment manufacturing company. We make clothes for men, women, and children. We have our own clothing line, and we also offer contract manufacturing to those who want to outsource their production to us in Africa, in Nigeria. FITCC is a fantastic platform. As I keep saying, this is the season, this is the time to really position ourselves and come off the dependence we've had on oil. It's a platform that's going to provide you the insight. It will help you know that what you have been struggling and striving to do in Nigeria is acceptable all over the world. Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Olushola Babatunde. I'm the MD of One Stop Celebration, OSC Garment Factory, and I will be at FITCC Houston. See you. Bye.